A. Say A. Right, it's letter A. B. Say B. Right, it's letter B. C. Say C. Right, it's letter C. D. Say D. Right, it's letter D. E. Say E. Right, it's letter E. F. Say F. Right, it's letter F. G. Say G. Right, it's letter G. H. Say H. Right, it's letter H. I. Say I. Right, it's letter I. J. Say J. Right, it's letter J. K. Say K. Right, it's letter K. L. Say L. Right, it's letter L. M. Say M. Right, it's letter M. N. Say N. Right, it's letter N. O. Say O. Right, it's letter O. P. Say P. Right, it's letter P. Q. Say Q. Right, it's letter Q. R. Say R. Right, it's letter R. S. Say S. Right, it's letter S. T. Say T. Right, it's letter T. U. Say ooh. Right, it's letter U. V. Say V. Right, it's letter V. W. Say W. Right, it's letter W. X. Say X. Right, it's letter X. Y. Say Y. Right, it's letter Y. Z. Say Z. Right, it's letter Z.
Thank you for learning with me today. If you had fun, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time!